So today I'm going to show you how to do the cutest little headband braid. So what I want you to do is kind of take the hair from one side, and we're going to use some of this hair underneath in the headband braid just to kind of thicken it up a little bit. So we're going to just come back like that, and I'm going to start the braid from back here. Pin that hair out the way at the back, so that's all I've left out, but we have started from quite far back there. And then the braid's going to come across and then down. So I'm just going to use the tiniest amount just to kind of anchor that braid down this side. I'm going to start my braid here. Now remember, you're not going to actually be able to see any of this bit, so don't worry too much. You don't have to make it super neat, super perfect. I'm going to be doing a little Dutch braid, so 3 strands of hair. Outside section is going to come under that middle one, outside section under the middle, and then outside section under the middle, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of hair in there. So under, and then this piece here that I've just taken underneath is the one that I'm just going to add a little piece to. Just keep doing that. Don't worry about it being super neat, because like I said, we are not going to be seeing any of this braid. It's only as we come up and over that you'll be able to see it. So this is the bit that we're going to be seeing. So this is where you want to start just thinking about what the actual braid looks like. So I'm just taking little sections just to kind of anchor this braid down really. And then we're going to come up and over the heads. I've decided to leave out 2 little bits at the front just to soften the style, but you don't have to do that. So I'm coming right the way over here. And then we're going to cross over to the other side. You can do a little bit of teasing here if you want to, or you could keep it really tight and neat. It's completely up to you. I'm going to release this hair down now on this side, and then we'll just keep adding in. You could take this back around and back underneath, but today I kind of want to make it so that the braid comes down. I think I'm going to make this piece my last piece going in. And then I'm really going to try and make sure that I angle this braid down, so don't braid up here because then it will kind of stick out away from the head. So we kind of want to make sure this is angled downwards. So once you've done messing with it, you can have it as big as you want. This is the finished look. I'm just going to give you a little sort of 3/4 spin from left to right. You can decide to do a bigger curl, straight hair, whatever you fancy. Let me know in the comments if you like this style, and I'll do another one soon.